If you're like most of us, you find yourself making the same handful of meals over and over again, week after week. And if that sounds like you, I've got just the thing to get you out of the what's for dinner rut, and it goes like this. After browning some ground beef and draining off the pan drippings, we stir in a can of refried beans and a bit of salsa. Sure, we can use bottled salsa, but we found that refrigerated salsa gives this a real fresh taste. Once everything's mixed, we'll let that simmer. While it's cooking, we get our traditional taco go-alongs ready. You know, shredded iceberg, chunked up tomatoes, and grated cheddar. One thing I really like about this recipe is that we actually serve it right from the skillet, which means there's less dishes to wash. Once we layer all of our toppings on our meat and bean mixture, we finish it off with a dollop or two of sour cream, and it's ready to serve. You can even surround it with tortilla chips to give it an extra crunch. The recipe for our fast taco pie is online now, so you can get out of your what's for dinner rut with a one-pan dish they'll come running for. And with only one pot to wash, you'll be done cleaning up the kitchen in no time. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we're looking for an easier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.